Bum, ba-da-bum. Here's our silly dog. See this motion? This is a simple flick. The dog doesn't do anything when it's happening right now. He doesn't even care. Put that motion down here on the grass, and he freaks out. Come here. Ow! What is that? You're a nerd. You're a nerdy nerdhead. Ouch! Quit attacking my hand. That's just Mama's hand. See? Doesn't care if it's up here doing it. Well, I guess he sort of does. But see? In the grass? And he thinks it's still right there. Where is it? Get it. Oh, he's a nerd. Oh, he's a nerd. Is that where it is? You're such a nerd. Who are you? You're a nerdy little creature. Oh, it's over there now?